essence of winter's sleep on night, a human shape coming back to the long, thin cuttings of wood, and then rest as the stars interface the faraway place of apples and impermanent sleep. A word descends into the body and recognizes its own death. For this, the ladder appears with its 2 points sticking through a tree on its way to heaven. The dream in language and frost, the cellar and heap of worth yet here in memory, we cast a shadow no longer truly our own. Body, earth, breath. So many journeys back into non-existent days now becoming our friend in dialogue with this passing and sorrow and release of winter. You recognize the speech, your own, its truth and criterion for beauty, a source asking what's the most important thing, while the imagined and not the boy picking apples lays down to sleep and dreams itself into a world you have not yet written.